Hey my friends, this is Daniel Alley, and today I want to share with you 3 reasons why you're not rich yet. If you have less than $100,000 in your bank account or in assets right now, and you've always wanted to be rich, I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why you haven't been able to do so. So please listen up, because this video can change your life. The first reason why you're not rich yet is because you've settled for a mediocre life. You see, a lot of times we are taught to play it safe. We are taught to be normal. And a lot of times we hold back from becoming the kind of person that we can be. But the reality is that you were created for greatness. You've been created to do something different, but you've been holding yourself back. Maybe there's some things that you have to change in your life right now. It can be something so little. For example, I walked into a shop owner's business and I saw that he had a restaurant with dirty windows. I thought to myself, why is this man struggling to fill up his restaurants with clients? And the problem was that he wasn't willing to take care of his windows. Now, if you're not willing to take care of something so small, how are you going to be able to take care of something so large? Now you might be saying, Daniel, you are a little insensitive. You are a little judgmental. How do you know that guy isn't dealing with any problems in his home? How do you know he's not struggling with something else that you just cannot see? Here's the truth. I understand that every single person in this world has problems. Everyone has burdens that they have to deal with. But if you want to make a change, it starts with the little things. A lot of times you might think the little things don't matter, but I promise you they do. For example, if you're not washing your car when it's dirty, but you want a better one, there's no way that you're ever gonna get that until you take care of the one that you have right now. Or maybe you wanna live in a better house, and the smoke alarm keeps on beeping, and the air filters need to be changed. And you realize there's little things that you've been neglecting over the years. Or maybe you have a phone with a cracked screen, and you might say, Daniel, that's $100. I don't have money to do that. Well, check your bank account. You might have a couple $100. You might need to make that investment right now so you can prepare yourself for who you need to become in the future. Here's the truth. If you want to become successful, you have to become a well-rounded person. You can't have a dirty car, you can't have a beeping smoking alarm, you can't have a cracked phone laying around. Instead, you have to make sure you take care of all the people, places, and things that God has given you, and I promise you, if you do that, you will be promoted. The second reason why you're still not rich is because you don't really want it. You see, there has to be a strong desire to become rich. You can't just say, I want to become a millionaire and actually make it. Because there's so many things you need to do in order to become a millionaire. There's so many laws you have to learn. There's so many truths you have to accept. There's so many changes that you have to make, including the ones I just mentioned. But if you feel that you're above those changes, above those laws, above those truths, then there's nothing more than God can do. So all I'm saying is this: if you want to change your reality, you have to change your mentality. If you want to change the way you live, you have to change the way you give. And not just what you give to other people, but what you give to yourself. How much time are you spending learning about what it actually takes to become wealthy? How many resources have you invested in? How many assets have you acquired? How many lessons have you learned to get to the place that you know you always deserved? You see, all I want you to know is that if you change the way you view things, you're gonna change the way you do things. If you figure out exactly what it is that you have to learn, then you're gonna know exactly what you need to do in order to earn. You see, another reason why you're not rich yet is because you keep on trashing wealthy people. You keep on talking about how people don't pay their fair share of taxes, how they're greedy, how they're selfish, or socially irresponsible. My friends, the people that you're judging have far more success than you in a wealthy way. And so if you think you can talk them out of their success, I'm telling you, they've already heard it before. They've heard it for so long. In fact, that was one of the greatest motivators for them to become wealthy in the first place. You don't have time to be cynical or critical. You don't have time to judge these people because they've already made it. What you need to do is to watch your own thoughts, your own feelings, and your own actions, because those are the things that will control your success. And the third reason why you're not rich yet is because of how you use your free time. Look, every single person in this world has free time. I don't care how busy you are. I don't care how many jobs you have, how many kids are at your home, where you live, or any of that. What matters is that you can make a change in your mind before you make a change in your life. And so what that means is that even if you're busy, you can still write down what it is that you want to do. You can still write down your goals. You can still review it as you're feeding your baby milk. You could be holding the baby right here, and you could be making affirmations. You could be studying your notes. You could be doing something productive other than making excuses. Look, you don't have time to waste time. You don't have time to sit down and watch TikToks all day. You don't have time to watch other people live up to their dreams while you're moping about why you can't live up to yours. What you need to do is to solve the problems that you're confronted with right now by making a list. Understand that these changes that you have to make right now can be done. It doesn't have to be done in one day. It doesn't have to be done in 1 month or even 1 year. But what has to happen is that you need to be aware. You need to care. You need to put everything you can into becoming the person that you want to be in the future. You cannot neglect these small responsibilities. You have to take charge and you have to think large. So my question for you is this: how are you using your free time? Who are you hanging out with? What are you reading? What are you thinking? What are you doing? Because in the end of the day, it's the hours that you're not paid that will pay you the most. The more you work on yourself while no one is looking, the more you'll be prepared when it's time to start cooking. My friends, this is Daniel Alley. I hope you understand exactly what it is that you need to do. I just gave you 3 reasons why you're not rich yet. And if you're ready to make a change, make sure to write me an email at info@danielalley.com. Again, this is your mentor, Daniel Alley. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to type yes in the comment section below. And also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification button, and share this video with someone else who really needs it. My friends, I look forward to your success, I look forward to your prosperity, and I look forward to everything that you do for the rest of humanity. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.